Whaatwaa family, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, and today, we are going to go look for a motorcycle. This is gonna be my first motorcycle I'm buying. I kind of have a kind of an idea of what I want. I'm not gonna be racing in the motorcycle, of course. So I'm looking for like a first bike. You know, something cool, something to do the mukbangs with, So I'm thinking about whether a Honda Grom or a Kawasaki Ninja 300. So we're about to head to these motorcycle shops, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Get down in the comment section, let me know which bike I should get, and I'll be back to y'all in a little bit, man. I'm driving. See y'all in a little bit. Peace. All right, right now we are pulling in to Team Charlotte Motorsports. Like I said before, I'm looking for whether a Grom or a 300. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, what we got? Oh, that's a 250. Is this one already sold? Somebody already bought this one? Okay. I just want to make sure before I sat on it. Y'all have more 300s or 250s around?
We may have. So most of our used Japanese bikes are going to be second aisle over, starting right there by the grill and working your way towards the front window.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I didn't want to sit on somebody's bike that's already sold. See, this is a 1000. Okay, this is a 400. So it's probably. Oh, this is a 300. All right, there we go. The 300. All right, so this one's a 300. Ninja 300. This is nice. Now what I want to do is I want to get on it. See how I look on it. All right, hold on, guys. Let me sit on it real quick. Give me a second. See how I look on it. If I get to sit on something. I don't know if it's the right size. It feels like the right size. It don't feel too big. leg comes right here. Pretty comfortable with it. What is this one? 2017? I actually like it. I don't know, I actually like it. Then they have a Kawasaki Vulcan. Which to me is not bad either. It's a Vulcan S. That's actually not a bad bike. This is somebody already bought that one. Oh, this is a Honda Rebel. It's a Boulevard. Somebody already bought it. Says don't sit on me, somebody already bought that one. It's a Kawasaki.
They're having fun. They're done with me. But it's a dual sport.
Is this like a dirt bike?
Oh yeah. Oh no. It's a road bike that you can take it on there. Totally fine. Sit on it, tell me what you think.
Again, I mean, it feels good. I mean, it's definitely tall enough. How many cc's is this? What is this?
It's a 400.
It's a 400?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad at all. How much is this?
That's a great question. How much you want to pay? No. Well, yeah, funny. Can I get you something to drink, my friend?
Oh, no. Well, I mean, if you got water.
Yeah, I'll go get you a water.
You said this is a Suzuki, what, DR or?
Yeah.
Suzuki DR.
7400.
7400, okay.
So you've got some other options here. I've got a 400 Kawasaki naked. I have a.
And this is a Ninja, right?
Yep.
Okay, 400. Okay.
They go with a Z400.
Z400, okay.
I got a 650. It's one of my favorite bikes.
Honda 650.
Yeah. The Ninja 650 or the Z650. I'm sorry, they're called Z650s. It's not until you get to the full fairings. Like me, we have the 400.
Yeah. Okay, I see it.
Then they're your Ninjas. Got a 650 over there. That's a hot bike. It's a 400 right here. So you're looking at $7,800. You're looking at $5,500. Give me a second. Ninja 400.
On a real vacation. Take the wheels to the nearest
Yeah, $5,500.
55, okay.
This one right here, they're nice. you got some options. For your size, your weight, I'd stay away from the 300s.
Stay away from 300s?
Yeah, you'll get bored.
So what, like a 6 would be good?
I go with a 5, 6.
5, 6, okay.
Probably no, or a 650. Because your 650 is gonna ride more like your 6.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Okay.
You're a little bit different because your height.
Yeah, it's like
You start getting a smaller bike, and then you're just gonna be like, okay, I'm bored. Kind of screwed myself. Now I'm stuck with this. You know, get something that you're at least gonna be able to keep for a year, 2 years.
Yeah.
Have fun with it. You might end up keeping that bike. You'll like it so much. You never know.
okay. So
Get something that fits you a little bit better. The Grom or the C125. You can't turn. You're in trouble, man.
Big facts. Big facts.
Lordy.
Okay. So, all right. So 6 and up. Okay. All right. Well, let me keep looking around. Let me keep sitting.
I'm Max. If there's anything I can do, let me know, my friend.
All right. Thank you so much,
You got
man.
it,
Take
man.
care. Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, let me get you a water.
Yes.
I offered something. Man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Let me come get that water. Yeah, I definitely need the water. It's hot.
What's up, man? You ain't gotta sign it. Come on, man. Even if you are a Chiefs fan.
All right. Thank you so much. Tracing. All right.
Sometimes even if because of your height. Too.
Yeah.
So they have. You could do like wow, this is a 1000. You could do like an adventure bike. Did we get rid of them? Yeah, a lot of the times, like some of these adventure bikes,
Yeah. They get
like
so-
the Versas, and yeah, got them over here. Let's see if we got one over here. And you would have just as much fun.
Yeah, because my friend, he has a Busa, and that's what I have been learning to ride on. But
Holy hell!
yeah, but I don't want to get one because, boy.
Your friend not like you? Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, he has a Busa. He's been teaching me how to ride, and I'm like, okay, so this is what's called venture bikes.
These are adventure bikes. Now, that's a 1200. Be strong. Go ahead and sit on this.
All right, so Whaatwaa family, this is what I found out. And mind you, I'm driving, so I'm sorry I can't give you guys too much eye contact in the camera, but this is what I found out. I am too big. I am too big. I'm not even gonna use the word big. I'm too fluffy for a Honda Grom or a Kawasaki 300. I had talked to the sales dude in there. I had talked to other people who are bikers in there. I saw this one dude. He had the same physique as me, the same fluffiness as me. And I had asked him what he was riding because I seen him holding a helmet. And he said he has a 600, but he's looking to upgrade to a 1000. He had a 600 for a couple years. He said he loves the bike, but he just wants a little bit more power. So he asked me if this is going to be my first bike. I said yes, it's going to be my first bike. So he said okay. So he said that he's going. He said the best thing to do is to try to get a bike that's 600 and up. So I was like, all right. So to our family, I need y'all to get in the comment section. Let me know what bike I should get. I'm planning on getting a bike within the next week or two. And I really want to incorporate the Whaatwaa family in this. So get down in the comment section, let me know which bike I should get, and I'm gonna get it. And guys, I'll see y'all later because right now I'm on the highway and safety first. So if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. And guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Y'all take care, stay safe, and stay quarantined up, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, man. I'm out.